Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to calculate percentages in Google Sheets, from basic ratios to performing your data for professional reports. First, use the basic division formula. To find the percentage of a total, you need to write a simple division formula. Click on the empty cell where you want the result to appear. Type the equals sign, click the cell with the part, like B2, type the forward slash, and then click the cell with the total, like C2. Hit Enter. Google Sheets will initially show this as a decimal, for example, 0.25 instead of 25%. Don't worry about multiplying by 100 manually. The software handles that in the next step. Next, format as a percentage. Once you have your decimal result, you need to tell Google Sheets to display it as a percentage. Select the cell or the entire column containing your results and click the % icon in the top toolbar. This action automatically multiplies the decimal by 100 and adds the percentage symbol. If you need more precision, use the 0.0 or 0.00 icons right next to the % button to increase or decrease the number of decimal places shown. Lastly, calculate percentage increase or decrease. If you want to see the change between two numbers, like last month's sales versus this month's, use the change over original formula. Type the formula equals new value minus old value divided by old value. For example, if your old value is in cell A2 and the new one is in B2, your formula would be equals B2 minus A2 divided by A2. After hitting Enter, apply the percentage formatting from the toolbar. A positive result shows an increase, while a negative result indicates a decrease over time. And that's pretty much it. To calculate a percentage in Google Sheets, use the division formula equals part divided by total, and then click the % button in the toolbar to format the result. For tracking growth, use the change formula to see exactly how much your data has increased or decreased over time. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.